Hey everyone, thanks for joining. This is how you identify price reversals on the smaller time frame. So first of all, you go to the 15 minutes time frame and then you take the shift pitchfork and then you go to the highest point on the chart, high, you take it to the lowest point of the move and then you drag it to the next high. So let's see how this played out. So first of all, you could see that we have identified the lowest point of the range. And now we have identified the top point of the range. And I think that's all you need if you're gonna trade the highest and lowest point of the trend. But if you are a scalper and you wanna trade the reversals within this range and make more trades, then you need more than one pitchfork. So what you need to do is draw more pitchfork as soon as you get more highs and more lows. So if we go and take another shift pitchfork, now that we have this low, and draw it, I'm gonna give it a different color, red. So if you have noticed, now we have identified even the smaller price movements. If you look at this bounce, it bounced from the red line, not the green line. So you will be able to identify those small moves also. This can become very confusing if you have pitchfork upon pitchfork. So make sure you have different color each time. So the best approach is to draw these pitchforks on the 15 minutes time frame and then move on and trade on the 5 minutes time frame. So that way you could easily identify those reversals within the range. So as you can see, it bounced from the red line here, it bounced from the green line here. So the red line here is acting as resistance, red line as support. Of course, the price can break more than one line. So in order to identify if the move is strong enough to break more than one resistance line or support line, then you have to use another indicator. So you have to go and get the MACD. Go to the configuration of the MACD. You're gonna get rid of everything that you don't need. So we don't need the MACD and the signals. We just need the histogram. If you see that the green lines are becoming bigger and bigger, so that means that the move is strong. So you can hold on to your position because that means that it's gonna break more than one line. Like in this case here, so it moved to 1, 2, 3, and found resistance at the fourth line. So you can hold on to your position. If you see that the green lines or the red lines are fading away and becoming smaller and smaller, that means that the price will start to go the other way. Usually that's the signal that you need to exit your position. Guys, I would appreciate if you can subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. It is a fairly new channel, so I appreciate any help that you guys give me.